Hi, we're the Tutorial Twins. I'm Zoe.
And I'm Zaylee. Today we're going to be showing you how to empty your dishwasher properly because our sink is full, so we need to empty that out. First of all, you want to make sure your counter is clean. You want to make sure your hands are washed so you don't touch the dishes with dirty hands. First, to get this out of the way so it's easier to grab things, you're going to just want to put that aside for now and then start grabbing plates. If you don't know where something goes, just ask your parent. After you're done with the bottom layer, close it and open the next layer. You're gonna do the same thing. And if a dish is dirty, just put it in the sink again. Sir, all your cups in different sections. With the glass cups, you don't want to put them into each other. You just want to leave them like this. Also, it might help speed up the process if you have a sibling with you to help you. Cups all together. And be careful when you're handling the sharp knives. You don't want to cut yourself. We're gonna start with our cups over here. You might want to put the cup face down or up. Now, if you have a water bottle, you don't want to climb on the counter with your feet. And make sure you have its lid next to it, or if you have a lid drawer. So now you can start putting most things away. Now, if you don't know where stuff is, just leave it aside for your mom to come help you when you're done. So while one person is going to be doing the utensils, the very last thing, the other person can be emptying out the dishwasher.
Filling
it, yes. Make sure to roll up your sleeve so you don't get anything wet. This is why you clean the counter beforehand, because you don't want any dirty germs going into your mouth. And if you have a scrubby or any sort of thing, you might want to scrub on anything like batter or leftovers from your eggs. This goes in here. This also goes in here. And that's it. Thank you for joining us on Tutorial Twins. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!